Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get TikTok QR code. A TikTok QR code is a scannable code that leads people directly to your TikTok profile. When someone scans this QR code using mobile device, it will open the TikTok app and take them to your profile page. The TikTok QR code is an effective way to promote your TikTok account and make it easier for people to find and follow you or your business. If you have a TikTok account, you can easily find your TikTok QR code within the app. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on them. Now, select QR code from the menu that appears. Your TikTok QR code will now be displayed on the screen. To download the image, tap on the Save Image option at the bottom of the screen. You can then share the TikTok QR code image with others via social media, email, or messaging apps. Once you've saved it, you can share it with others by taking a screenshot or download the image. It's important to note that the TikTok QR code can only be scanned by the TikTok app. This means that if you share your QR code with others, they will need to have the TikTok app installed on their device in order to scan the code. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.